universities started coming up. And today, at the moment, we have more than 1 lakh students from India studying in Punjab. It's reversed completely. See, it's a role has to be played between government and private together. Only government can't do it and only private. My passion was first to get all top institutes in Punjab. Indian School of Business. It is in Hyderabad. I flew down there and I told them, I want you here. I brought them here. They were not interested. I said, hey, take 50 acres of land in Mohali free. And I got Indian School of Business. I made sure that I want to have an IIT here in Punjab. Ropar IIT was brought by me. IIM. I said, why can't Punjab and IIM? We got IIM in Amritsar. You go to Mohali, ISAR, ISAR or whatever they called. All the big names. Now, that is the big name. Now I'm talking about the poor people. My father started what is known as meritorious school. What was meritorious school? Have you visited one of them? You're not. Do you know what we did? My father's vision was, and it was amazing. In government school, in the 10th, anybody who's got above 80%, I think, marks, was picked up. We created in every district a meritorious school, means top class school with the best education system, everything free. We picked up every student from 80% above, put them into that government meritorious school where we had the education and par or maybe better than any of the convents with all equipment, everything. And we built in I think 2 or 3 districts were left, the rest we built everything. Baramnatasi. And I went there and you see the drastic change in a student of a poor family who was studying in a government school. Suddenly he's gone to meritorious school free. Complete expenditure, everything was on laptops, everything computers, everything on that. Poor people. The day the government changed, they shut those meritorious schools. I'm shocked. You know, it's like criminal activities. So you have to now, I have a plan. You know, in every block, you have to create a larger school to a capacity of 3,000 students, 4,000. What is happening, biggest problem is, we have created these small schools in villages. No teacher wants to go to that remote control area. So they get their transfer done and they remain without teachers. We do not provide teachers with the basic facility of housing and everything. Teachers in Punjab are paid more than 1 lakh, 30,000, 50,000. And the same you private institutions, when you set up these NGOs, at 10,000, 11,000 a teacher, and government teachers are at 50,000. Principals at 1.5 lakhs, they don't even go. So rather than spreading your things all around, put them in one block. In every block of Punjab, the 300, create a 3,000 or 4,000, and with every facility, from sports, stadium, everything, housing, so that, and rather than you attach free transport service from the village to that school. It is cheaper that way than paying 1.5 lakhs to a teacher, than the transport. So, you know, you have to get into a drastic change, which I have in mind, to basically we have to improve the grassroots level. And that I have in mind, and it is possible.
I think the audience would say, what an amazing clarity of thought. You know, from just not the city, in urban and rural areas, how do you go about it? I think for me also it's a big learning, sir. I think next question is going to be very relevant to a lot of people here because they're all industrialists. And this is a very pressing issue because, you know, a lot of things have happened in the last 15, 20 years. A lot of other states are incentivizing industries. We have people setting up plants in Haridwar, in Rishikesh, in Gujarat, in Baddi, and Himachal, and other places. But I guess we as Ludhiana, being an industrialist city, you know, there are 3 areas of concern. Definitely, everybody would agree that there was an amazing infrastructure built in terms of the roads, you know, when you were in power. But over the period of time, I think one of the important questions have been electricity, as number one, you've already talked about. A lot of governments, in fact, every government had promised cheap electricity, rupees 5, 6, but it's actually never happened. While under your leadership, we were able to become power surplus, but still the costs of electricity were very high. So
It
this
was
is
around 5 rupees that time, 5, 6.
mostly, I would say, it started with.
No. What happens? First, you used to use generators at 17 rupees. It came down to 6 rupees.
Now it is around 12, 13.
I have a solution for that. Now, what's my solution for power? Our government pays 12,000 megawatt or 12,000 crores of subsidy to the electricity department for giving free electricity for tube wells, for industry subsidization, SC 400 units, a total 12,000 crores. Now my plan is, and that 12,000 crores goes to the garbage every year because you're not created an asset. It is just subsidy going. So one day I was thinking how to solve that problem. So now we are going to form another company, or maybe PIDA or whatever it is. Instead of giving subsidy, we will give them power to the backward. Set up a solar plant of the state government. 12th, if I put up, for example, a 10,000 megawatt example, solar plant, it'll cost me 25,000 crores. That is 2 years of my subsidy. And after that, it's free. Now, what I have for industry is, industrial focal point can be made as one unit. I will encourage you set up your solar plant there. So after, if you do your calculations right, the bill, which is electricity bill you have, you set up your solar plant in 4 years. In 4 years, the bill saving will pay off the infrastructure of the solar plant. After 4th year till 25 years, you have zero electricity bill. So my thing is going to be that all large industry to set up solar plants, industrial focal points will give you 1 point connection from their internal distribution, and you set up a solar plant. So what happens is you have your own plant, that's your asset, and you are able to then, once it's your plant, and I've done it. I've done it in Haryana. From my 2 hotels there, in my farm in Balasar, I've set up a 7 megawatt power plant. I gave this idea to Haryana government. This government, Haryana government, and we took the idea, and a lot of industry in Haryana has established that. So what happens is, and another thing, you'll be saving 20% on the service, whatever the tax kid has, 21% that. Was that 21%? When you get your bill, 21% is the tax. So when the solar, you have a direct own, you're serving on that also. So your power plant and thing is going to be very cheap. And immediately we are going to set up. And I'm going to encourage people on that.
Thank you. One of the second questions is, we've talked about investing, getting the FDI in Punjab or even investments. I think it looks like a lost cause to a lot of people. I don't think companies like Reliance and those are coming here. It has never happened. And for the longest of time, these people sitting here are your real investors. These are the people who are actually going to invest. So while we are looking outside also, and we've heard news, Volkswagen coming in and then going out, not coming. There's so many companies जो news में आता है, but eventually पता चलता है South में या कहीं ना कहीं और setup कर लिया. How do we ensure, one, to get those people on board? Because once that FDI comes in, there is an entire ecosystem that gets set up. It supports other industries, small industries also. And secondly, what information or say that you have for the industry sitting here, how can they be participating in investing on projects and taking advantage of those facilities?
See, basically, you should realize what are your strengths and weaknesses. You can't create an ecosystem which nobody wants to create. Automobile infrastructure we do not have. Neither Volkswagen nor Mercedes or any company is going to come here. They're going to go to Gujarat or in Tamil Nadu, where the ecosystem has already been created. Yes, in tractor infrastructure, agriculture, industry base, we are the biggest eco center here. So we have to identify our strengths and weaknesses. Don't wait for something which is going to happen We're not going to happen. Concentrate on industries which we can build. Food processing, that is an area. IT, that is an area. Tourism can be, or Amritsar, that destination, you can create 2-3 destinations and change it to a different level. Then what happens is, like, basically we are landlocked. Everyone today, big industry, मैं सारे पंजाब दुनिया घूम के आ गया. You can't ask anybody to come to you or force anybody to come to you. He will come if he wants to come. जिन्ना मर्जी दरवाजे खड़े जाओ, कोई फायदा नहीं है. Encourage local industry. I think you can become Ambani's or Adani's of India. And I'm very clear, I've tried all routes. I've tried going outside, meeting them, doing everything. वो थानू वधिया फोटो लेंगे थोड़े नाल, वधिया लंच लुंच से टेबल से गल्लां करनगे, but they will not invest. They will invest if they want, if they feel that they have an economic interest here to invest. I नहीं invest करना किसने. So we have to, and I'm the biggest, and I'll tell you the biggest investment is by local entrepreneurs, because you as a Punjabi, you want to stay here because of the comfort. So for you, and the work environment in Punjab is much, much, much better than any other state. So I want to encourage Make in Punjab. Make in Punjab means I want to encourage, even Bijli Board hai. It purchases are worth 120,000 crores or something per year. Put up factories regarding that. Let's see, anything what government purchase, I will give 15% of 21 like advantage, so that people make here. Those schemes of VAT retention was mine, and the GST retention was mine, which we launched last time and which a lot of people took advantage of. But unfortunately, these have all changed. I created Invest Punjab, and now they have demolished Invest Punjab, this present government, and it's become a Disinvest Punjab. People don't want to go there.
Since it's a question of industries, do we have any relevant questions? Anyone regarding industries or anything?
ਬਾਦਲ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਵਧਾਈਆਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਤੇ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮਨਮੋਹਨ ਸਿੰਘ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਪੜ੍ਹਿਓ but really I am telling you the way you presented the data ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਦਾ you are a finer version of ਮਨਮੋਹਨ ਸਿੰਘ with spirit of adventure
ਇੰਨਾ ਨਾ ਪੰਪ ਕਰ ਮਰਵਾਣਾ ਦਿਓ
ਨਹੀਂ ਉਹਦਾ ਕਾਰਨ ਕੀ ਹੈ ਮੈਂ ਗਰੇਵਾਲ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰੀ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਪੁੱਟ ਕੀਤਾ ਰੈਲੀ ਸੀ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਕਿਆ ਜਵਾਬ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਅੱਜ ਕੱਲ ਹੈ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਚੌਧਰੀ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੈ ਇੰਡੀਅਨ ਐਨਰਜੀ ਐਕਸਚੇਂਜ ਉਹ ਜਦੋਂ ਮੈਂ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਅੱਜ ਦਾ ਕਰੰਟ ਰੇਟ ਕੀ ਹੈ ਫਿਰ ਗਰੇਵਾਲ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਨੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਇਹ 4 ਪਲਾਂਟ ਜਦੋਂ ਅਪਰੂਵ ਕੀਤੇ ਸੀ ਨਾ ਵੇਦਾਂਤਾ ਰਾਜਪੁਰਾ ਇਹ ਫਿਊਚਰਿਸਟਿਕ ਇਨਵੈਸਟਮੈਂਟਸ ਦੈਟ ਇਜ਼ ਵੰਡਰਫੁਲ ਮੈਂ ਪਹਿਲਾ ਸੁਜੈਸ਼ਨ ਇਹ ਦੇਣਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਆਈਟੀ ਸੈੱਲ ਸੋਸ਼ਲ ਮੀਡੀਆ ਤੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਵੀਕ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਅੱਜ ਇਹ ਗੱਲ ਕੀਤੀ ਪਾਵਰ ਪਲਾਂਟਸ ਦੀ ਅੱਜ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਡਾਟਾ ਦੇ ਰਿਹਾ ਬੈਠੇ ਪਾਵਰ ਦਾ ਰੇਟ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਫ੍ਰੀ ਪਰਚੇਜ਼ ਹੈ ਇਟ ਇਜ਼ ਅਬਵ 13 ਰੁਪੀਜ਼ ਹਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਉਹੀ ਕਹਿ ਰਿਹਾ ਮੈਂ ਦੈਟ ਇਜ਼ ਵਾਈ ਫਿਊਚਰਿਸਟਿਕ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਕਿਉਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਡਿਸਇਨਫੋਰਮੇਸ਼ਨ ਕੈਂਪੇਨ ਨੂੰ ਕਿਉਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਾਊਂਟਰ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਨੰਬਰ 1 ਨੰਬਰ 2 ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਟ ਗੱਲ ਹੈ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖੋ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹੈਰੀਟੇਜ ਸਟਰੀਟ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੀ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਯੂਨੀਕ ਹੈਰੀਟੇਜ ਹੈ ਕੰਪੋਜ਼ਿਟ ਇਕਨੋਮਿਕ ਕਲਚਰ ਦੈਟ ਵਾਸ ਗੁਰੂ ਰਾਮਦਾਸ ਵਿਜ਼ਨ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਅੱਜ ਇਕਨੋਮਿਕ ਜ਼ੋਨ ਬਣਾ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ 1600 ਗੁਰੂ ਰਾਮਦਾਸ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਮਾਰਵਾੜੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਰਾਜਸਥਾਨ ਚੋਂ ਗੁਜਰਾਤੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖੋ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਹੈਰੀਟੇਜ ਸਟਰੀਟ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ 52 ਕਿੱਤਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਹੈ ਐਂਡ ਦੇ ਆਰ ਫਰਮ ਡਿਸਟੈਂਟ ਸਟੇਟਸ ਮਾਰਵਾੜੀ ਜੈਨੀਜ਼ ਇਹ ਕੰਪੋਜ਼ਿਟ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਟ੍ਰੇਡ ਦਾ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਕਿਉਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਡਿਵੈਲਪ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਨੰਬਰ 1 ਬੜੀ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਗੱਲ ਹੈ ਇੰਡੀਅਨ ਫਾਰਨ ਸਰਵਿਸ ਦਾ ਮੇਰੇ ਕੋਲ ਆਰਟੀਕਲ ਪਿਆ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਮੋਦੀ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਸਾਰੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਡਾਇਰੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਹੈ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਲਾਡਲੇ ਪੁੱਤਰ ਨੂੰ ਮਾਂ ਦੁੱਧ ਪਾਉਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਕੁਆਰੇ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖੋ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਿਲਕ ਰੂਟ ਹੈ ਤਿੱਬਤ ਤੋਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਲਾਹੌਰ ਕਾਬਲ ਤਹਿਰਾਨ ਅੱਜ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਗਿਆ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਤੱਕ ਸੋਚਿਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੱਚ ਜਾਣੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪੜ੍ਹ ਕੇ ਆਏ ਨਾ LA ਚ, you can create another LA this by developing this route, this old silk route. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ 골ਡਨ ਹਾਰਵੈਸਟ ਹੈ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਨਾ ਆਟੋ ਇੰਡਸਟਰੀ, ਫॉर योर काइंड ਇਨਫੋਰਮੇਸ਼ਨ, SML Isuzu ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਰੋਪੜ ਦੀ, with agreement with the Suzuki, making huge investment for electric vehicles. Again, GNS is the number one vendor to the electric vehicles. International tractors, मैं ही कहना चाहता, जिवें लुधियाने ने वर्धमान दिता, हीरो दिता, ओसवाल दिता, it is a time to create another Detroit.
Thank you. Super. Sir, please.
There's somebody there.
Actually, yeah, we can take a couple of questions ikathe and so that sir can answer it together.
No ladies asking questions.
We need more women entrepreneurs also, you know.
ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਜੀ।
ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ।
ਕੱਲ ਦੀ ਨਿਊਜ਼ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜੀ BSF ਨੂੰ ਪਾਵਰ ਦਿੱਤੀਆਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ 15 ਕਿਲੋਮੀਟਰ ਤੋਂ 50 ਕਿਲੋਮੀਟਰ ਕਰ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਏਰੀਆ ਆਫ ਆਪਰੇਸ਼ਨ। ਉਹ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਜੈਸਾ ਸਟੇਟ ਰਾਈਟਸ ਹੈ, ਸੈਂਟਰ ਗਵਰਨਮੈਂਟ ਨੇ ਸਪੈਸ਼ਲੀ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਇਨ ਕੰਟੇਨਰ, ਅੱਜ ਦੇਖੋ ਫਿਰੋਜ਼ਪੁਰ, ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤਸਰ ਤੇ ਆਪਣਾ 3 ਡਿਸਟ੍ਰਿਕਟ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਫਿਰੋਜ਼ਪੁਰ, ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤਸਰ ਤੇ ਗੁਰਦਾਸਪੁਰ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਚੱਲੇਗੀ। ਤੇ ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਅੱਗੇ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਖੇਤੀ ਦੇ ਕਾਨੂੰਨ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਰਾਈਟਸ ਨੂੰ ਸਟੇਟ ਦੇ ਰਾਈਟਸ ਇਨਫਿਲਟਰੇਟ ਕਰਕੇ ਇਹ ਆਪਣਾ ਕੀਤਾ, ਹੁਣ ਉਹ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ BSF ਨੂੰ ਯਾਨੀ ਕਿ ਇੰਨੀ ਪਾਵਰਸ ਦੇ ਰਹੇ। ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੱਸੋ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਸੈਂਟਰ ਗਵਰਨਮੈਂਟ ਦੀ ਮੂਵ ਹੈ, ਇਹਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਫਾਈਟ ਕਰਕੇ ਦੂਜਾ ਬੈਕ ਤੇ ਲਿਆਉਣਾ ਹੈ? ਇਹ ਵੈਸੇ ਸਟੇਟ ਨਾਲ ਬਹੁਤ ਮਾੜਾ ਕੰਮ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ।
Basically, the present Chief Minister gave consent to the Home Minister ਆ ਕਰਨ ਵਾਸਤੇ। ਆ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਹੋਣਾ, ਜਦੋਂ ਦੀ ਪ੍ਰਾਈਮ ਮਿਨਿਸਟਰ ਮੋਦੀ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਆਏ ਹੈ, ਹੌਲੀ ਹੌਲੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਸੈਂਟਰਲਾਈਜ਼ ਕਰ ਲਿਆ ਸਾਰਾ ਕੁਝ। ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮਪਲ ਹੈ GST। ਪਹਿਲੇ ਆਪਣਾ ਵੈਟ ਸੀ, ਅਸੀਂ ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੰਸੈਸ਼ਨ ਦੇਣਾ, ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਕਰਨਾ, ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਰੋਜ਼ ਪੈਸਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀ। ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਡੀਕਦੇ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ 2 ਮਹੀਨੇ ਬਾਅਦ ਸਾਨੂੰ GST ਦਾ ਪੈਸਾ ਸੈਂਟਰਲੀ ਆਊਗਾ ਤਾਂ ਗੱਡੀ ਚੱਲੂਗੀ ਅੰਡਰ ਦ ਨੇਮ। ਫਿਰ then they set up NIA. NIA means they can go catch anybody in any state without asking him. ਹੁਣ ਦੇ ED, ਪਹਿਲੇ ED ਦੇਖੋ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀ, ਹੁਣ ਤਾਂ ਹਰ ਦੇ ਘਰਾਂ 'ਚ ਬੜੀ ਪਈ ਹੈ ED। Then now this is that whole border BSF. They are basically, what has happened is, this is a replication of Jammu Kashmir. They want to use politically something, थोड़े घरे भेज के कोई मर्जी रेड कर लें। So this is very dangerous move by the government of India, and I think we have to fight it. My father has given a statement, we should all go above politics, all unite and don't allow this to happen.
Thank you sir. Since we have some positive time, I have just 2 more questions. May I request Grewal Sahab to please come on stage? I have some question from you also, since you are going to represent this particular Ludhiana West. Please, sir. People would love to know about your view, sir. Manish, can you please honor Grewal Sahab? Ma'am Brahma Kumari ji, please.
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪੁੱਛ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਜਦ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਟਾਈਮ ਯੂਟਿਲਾਈਜ਼ ਕਰ ਲੈਂਦੇ। मैं तो आश्रम से जाके लेके आए थे।
Can we, yeah, please.
Respected Bal Sahab, I have a short question from you. So, as you were talking about this hill station which you're going to develop, so I'd like to know in which villages are you planning for this hill station?
You want to buy property?
Of course, I will buy a property there, but I'd like to. My question is here is that voting for Akali Dal, as I've heard you right now, I'm feeling that Akali Dal should be voted, as you have said all this, and knowing about the things, if we have to talk to some of our near ones, that why should we vote for Akali Dal? So this is one of the factors that you've spoken, and I'd like to, because I'm into property, so I'd like to know where are these places where you are planning. So people should know about it, and they should really be interested in voting for you, as not only in my industry, because we've spoken
Won't
so
it
much.
be branded inside trading?
Fun.
No, actually, we have already acquired. It's about 2,500 acres there. When I was in government, we had complete overlooking the water. We have already, it's under government possession. If you go to Theen Dam, I think you should visit that area and go to where the dam. Look, Chairman Sahab, kede pind utte pata hai? That's where the colony is. You go to the colony, you go there, and I don't know exact name of the villages. There are a couple of villages. Chairman Sahab, let hire him in your company now.
Thank you. Thank you.
So that it is amazing, that place, and if you look at it, you will fall in love with that place. I'm telling you. We have already done the back. We already done that. So, but we are now. We had to go to the next stage, but the stage people got another person to go to the next stage, and he's finished off everything. When I ask you, when you tell me why should we vote for Akali Dal, I just want to tell you one and simple thing. Shromani Akali Dal is only Punjab party. Second, we do not have to go to Delhi to get assurances or plan what our future is. Now, if you look at Aam Aadmi Party, Kejriwal आके guarantee दूंगा. Now, Kejriwal second guarantee, Kejriwal third guarantee. तुसी बैंक तो लोन लेने बैंक मैनेजर थोड़ी गारंटी लेंदा कि गुआंढी दी. You want Kejriwal's guarantee, and he is the type of guy. Oh, you know something? He is a master in his कपड़े अजे पाऊगा, शक्ल अजी बनाऊगा, ते बनाऊंगा जिवें बड़ा दुध होता है. His budget for his media is 600 crores. His budget for his media is 600 crores. Yeah. So basically, the passion we have for a state, he will nominate somebody, okay, Bhagwant Mann is our CM. Whether he has passion or not, Congress will know, okay, Jharkhand ni banana, he was Hindu. Now, inu banana, he was this. Hun Channi nu bana ke bana deo. Have you chosen? I personally feel, everyone is sitting. Let's not feel that we are a Kali Congress anything. My suggestion to you, whoever, look at the CM face, who's going to give you the CM face, just vote for the one who you feel is the best, who can deliver.
No doubt, no doubt. Here we are really impressed being with you here and listening to everything. We'll surely like to vote for Akali Dal. Thank you.
May I request the entire Karta Dharta of the event, Pindaji, also please be on the stage, sir. Aapke bina kaise hoga? Please. I think he deserves a big round of applause for this amazing show today. Sir, before we close in, I have one question for Grewal Sahab also, if you don't mind. This is regarding the smart city, and this is very personal to Ludhiana, because हम जिस एरिया में हैं, उसको स्मार्ट सिटी के अंदर लिया गया है. जब स्मार्ट सिटी आया था, that is the time when, of course, you were in power, Okay, definitely.
This is another fraud, smart city. What is smart city? People think that they're going to make Ludhiana smart. No. Smart city is they take one mahalla in a city to make it smart, and they don't give a damn for the whole state. And what they've chosen is the best mahalla, which is easiest to upgrade. What they'll do is they'll put a walking street, some this thing that, and you spend 200 crores on it. Where people want sewerage, people want everything, they're not bothered. In Chandigarh, they have chosen the best sector, one sector, and they give a name for a smart city. That is the biggest fraud. So the smart city, initially, I was in the first delegation which we went to Barcelona. I was the deputy CM, and the present vice president was the minister of housing when the smart city was launched. So I remember going with him, and we were on the plane. Before that, the secretary department was also there. So I asked him, wherever we, as a state deputy CM, I was asked to go on a delegation to visit the Smart City Conference. I thought, I don't know what it means, Smart City Conference. Smart City is, what they feel is, I'm talking about Barcelona, where you're driving, on your screen it comes, you want to have a pizza, you put in pizza, they tell you nearest location. We are not at that stage. We don't have sewage, we don't have water supply, we don't like that. I asked the secretary that time, कि यार smart city की चीज है? वो कहता मैंने भी नहीं पता, बस जान सीखन चलने हैं. So what happened is, as I told you, Swachh Bharat made in India smart city is when we thought Ludhiana has been taken to smart city. No, it's Rabanagar who's been taken into smart city, not Ludhiana.
So this is exactly where Grewal sir also, I think, want to say something. Sir, I have one specific point on this. There is some work that has happened. First of all, as a common man, we don't even know कि smart city में होना क्या क्या है और क्या होना चाहिए आपके perspective से. Secondly, जो हो गया है उसके बाद भी lakes बनती हैं हमारी बारिशों के बाद. Right? We see हर जगह पानी इकट्ठा है. So technically sewerage work हुआ है, but I don't know कि why this is still happening. So as a layman, what do we expect? क्या होगा जब smart city खत्म हो जाएगा? What do we see the difference? Where is the difference?
This is a very good question. I just want to tell one thing. If I tie a very good turban, but I don't wear a good kurta or good pajama, that doesn't improve my personality. For to be a smart, I have to be taking care of my pajama, my kurta, my shoes, everything. They have taken care of only one thing, and that too not properly. See what they have done on Malhar Road, it is resulting in accident every day. They have made humps. You know, we have 4 serious accidents in 4 days. 2 motorcyclists, one son of your industrialist of Ludhiana. Then other day it's a Honda Civic car getting accident. Third day it was a scooty falling there, lady getting injured. This is all fraud. I just want to say one thing, Pradhan Sahab. I am really thankful to Mr. Pinda, जिन्होंने सारा organize करके given us chance to sell our program and achievements. Second thing, I am thankful to this NGO, Roundtable. They have done wonderful job in the past and we hope they will do it in past. And इन्होंने देख लिया हैगा अकाली दल दा program. They will also do this thing. It is not politics, it's above politics. If you are worried about the Punjab, you need to choose the best. And NGO is the best institution to promote this. One thing I want to tell you, asked question about power, you asked question about hospitals, you asked question about education. There are 2-3 important things for Punjab. First is safety and security, communal harmony. Today Punjab is not safe. You are not sure if when you leave home that you will come back home. There are snatching not only of chains, the telephones, the purses. And you know, we had in last few months, we had a rape in moving cars. We have dacoities during daytime, ladies staying back at home and houses looted during daytime. There are gangsters, murders ordered from the jails, money extraction being ordered from the jails. Pradhan Sahab told a few days back that he met one doctor at Barnala. He received a call from gangsters from the jail that sent 20 lakh rupees. The doctor said, how can I be sure that you are a gangster and you are speaking from jail? He said, turn over to the FaceTime. They turned to FaceTime and that man shows the jail and then got money. See, I know it's not a political gathering, it's a gathering of intellectuals, important citizens. But one thing should be very sure. If we go for a bread, we go for a kitty bread. Why? Because it's hygienically good, it's wrapped in good paper, sold at proper price. Now what is happening is, Punjab needs a government with a vision. Punjab needs a government with accountability and accessibility and availability. Punjab needs a government which is firm. And most important thing for Punjab being a border state, that we must have a communal harmony. See what is happening, our neighbors and the neighbor beyond Afghanistan, the drugs. When Akali Dal made a big hue and cry that if the borders are weak, the drugs are coming and Punjab is only corridor. The corridor started absorbing the drugs and today it's one of the big issues which is what. So I must say that what you have heard from Sukhbir Singh Badal, just give it a second thought, and if you are convinced that he is the right person to lead the state at this critical juncture, then please don't only vote yourself, persuade other few people also, because again this is regarding for the betterment of the state. So with that all, I request, and I'm really happy that you came in a good number, that too on a working day. Anuradha ji, the coordinator of BCM, is sitting there. I met her. She said, I am really impressed. Anuradha, say here something. So I said, now mere liye hun prachar bhi kar do. I have my limitations because I was not a minister for food and supply that I can gather money from the artiyas, etc., etc., etc. So my humble request is, please, जिस तरह तुसीं सुखबीर सिंह बादल उन्होंने सवाल पूछे, मैं तो लुधियाना वैस्ट के वोटर्स ਨੂੰ एक हंबल रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੱਕ ਦਿਨ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਸਾਰੇ ਕੈਂਡੀਡੇਟ ਆ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਪ੍ਰੋਸਪੈਕਟਿਵ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਬੁਲਾ ਲਓ, ਜਿਵੇਂ ਅੱਜ ਸਵਾਲ ਪੁੱਛੇ ਇਦੋਂ ਨਿਤੜਕ ਹੋ ਕੇ ਸਵਾਲ ਪੁੱਛੋ, ਜੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਜਵਾਬਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਤਸੱਲੀ ਹੋਵੇ then stand with us, and if you think we are not able to deliver what you expect from a candidate, then don't vote for us, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ never go कि जो फलाने का रिश्तेदार है, फलाने का दोस्त है जी, अखा कट के देखता जी, वो डरा सकता जी. मैं आई वॉज सिंपली शॉक्ड व्हेन आई टॉक टू ए वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पर्सन ऑफ लुधियाना. ही सेड आई एम फॉर यू बट आई एम लिटल स्केयर्ड दैट मैन गोज टू दी वर्स्ट. मैनू मकान ढाउण का नोटिस ना दे दे. दिस मैन ऑफ दिस टाइप ऑफ फियर शुड नॉट बी इन एनीबडीज माइंड. सो मैं बहुत खुश हाँ. अनुराधा जी, शी इज ए कोऑर्डिनेटर. से वन थिंग हेयर ओनली वट एवर यू फील. तुहाडा सारिਆਂ ਦਾ बहुत बहुत थैंक्स. आई एम रियली हैप्पी. मिलते रहांगे तुहानू, क्योंकि कहना नहीं चाहिए पंजाबी च जिहड़ा मंगण जांदा ओहनू मंगता कहने आ. वी आर वैगर्स बट फॉर द बैटरमेंट ऑफ द स्टेट, फॉर नॉट पर्सनल रीजन.
I just want to tell everyone, Punjab needs a moderate leadership, not a radical leadership.
Very true, sir.
So we need, and only we can provide. ਅਸੀਂ ਸਾਰਾ ਕੰਟਰੋਲ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ, ਦੂਜੇ ਬੰਦੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ. And we have shown it. My father has shown it. How he's put the Punjabis in one platform and kept them together. It is very important. ਅੱਗ ਲਾਉਣੀ ਸੌਖੀ ਹੈ, ਬੁਝਾਉਣੀ ਔਖੀ ਹੈ. Second, the question of smart city, I'll describe it in a simpler way. A smart city is like going to a beauty parlor. उत्तो उत्तो ठीक ठीक करके थल्ले कुछ नहीं है. You won't get an answer. They don't go into sewerage. They don't do a damn thing. That's what I'm saying. It's you need a person who understands the depth, not the water level. Thank you.
Yes, sir. For the first time, आज ਅਸੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸੁਣਿਆ और Mr. गरेवाल ਨੂੰ ਵੀ कि like I'm telling you truth और frankly ਦੱਸ ਰਹੇ ਕਿ ਇੰਨਾ ਅੱਛਾ ਲੱਗਿਆ. ਇਦਾਂ ਦੀ ਮੀਟਿੰਗਸ ਗੈਦਰਿੰਗਸ ਹੋਣੀਆਂ ਚਾਹੀਦੀਆਂ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਯੂ نو ਇੱਕ ਆਪਾਂ ਸੋਸਾਇਟੀ ਨੂੰ ਰਿਪਰੈਜ਼ੈਂਟ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ. ਜਦੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਦੱਸਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਤਾਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਉਹ ਚੀਜ਼ ਦਾ ਇਫੈਕਟ ਪੈਂਦਾ ਹੈਗਾ. ਲਾਈਕ कि ਇੰਨਾ अच्छा लगे कि मीन्स कि यू नो कि इस बार अकाली सरकार, बस यही हमारी वो है सर.
बादल साहब एक प्रोग्राम है ब्रेकफास्ट विद बादल, एक तो ब्रेकफास्ट माड़ा जी ਲੰਚ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ, ਪਰ ਇੱਕ ਪਲਾਂਟ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਲਗਾਉਣਾ ਜੀ, ਉੱਥੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਦੇਖ ਕੀਤਾ ਸਾਰਾ ਲਗਾ ਕੇ ਜਾਣਾ। ਆ ਪਿੰਨ ਲਗਾਉਣਾ ਜੀ ਰਾਉਂਡ ਟੇਬਲ ਵਾਲਿਆਂ ਨੇ। ਪਲੀਜ਼ ਆਇਓ ਆਯੂਸ਼ੀ, ਪਲੀਜ਼ ਆਯੂਸ਼ੀ, ਯੈਸ।